Hi guys, welcome you all to the Devops Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Code Cloud Engineer task. I am here on the Chrome browser and search bar. Let me type engineer.codecloud.com/login. Hit enter. Let me type the mail ID. Click on continue. Let me type the password. Hit enter. We got our task dashboard. In this video, we will see how to deploy Grafana on Kubernetes cluster task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. The Nautilus DevOps team is planning to set up a Grafana tool to collect and analyze analytics from some applications. They are planning to deploy it on Kubernetes cluster. Below you can find more details. Create a deployment named grafana-deployment-exfusion using any Grafana image for Grafana app. Set other parameters as your choice. Create node port type service with node port 32000 to expose the app. You need not make any configuration changes inside the Grafana app once deployed. Just make sure you are able to access the Grafana login page. Note: the kubectl on jump host has been configured to work with Kubernetes cluster. Let me click on this Grafana toggle bar here on top right. 502 bad gateway. So now first let me do the kubectl get all. We have only one service in our cluster. So what I will do is first I will create a namespace Kubernetes create namespace Grafana. Okay, now we have created namespace for our Grafana app kubectl get ns, so that we can able to see all the namespaces present in our Kubernetes cluster. Okay, now first let me create a deployment kubectl create the namespace Grafana deployment, and then what is the name of our deployment. Let me copy paste it. Then hyphen image equals to grafana/grafana test, and then try run equals to client hyphen YAML. Let me keep it in the grafana hyphen deploy.yml file. Grafana hyphen deploy.yml. Here let me do a bit of modifications as per the task. Our app name should be Grafana image container name. Remove this, escape :x, enter. Now let me do the kubectl apply -f Grafana deploy.yml kubectl get deploy -n Grafana namespace. You can able to see one here. It is not in running state. Yes, now it is in the running state. That's fine. So let me set up a service. The kubectl create SVC. SVC stands for service, guys. And -n, what is our namespace? It is Grafana. And then name of our type of our service, it should be node port, and name should be, let me give something like Grafana service TCP. So by default Grafana runs on 3000 port, guys. So I'm giving 3000 port try run plus 2 client -o YAML. Let me keep this in the grafana hyphen svc.ym. Let me do the vi grafana hyphen svc.yml. Let me do a bit of modifications here. App should be is grafana. Port name we don't need it, so we can remove it. The protocol it is fine. We need to mention node port 32,000. Let me keep it here. 8000. Type grafana escape :x. Enter. Some issue happened, guys. So let me do the till getal icon grafana. Okay, we can able to see a pod deployment replica set. Thus already to deployment. Now let me do the vi grafana hyphen svc.yml. Here let me do a bit of modifications. Press I and our app name should be grafana. We don't need this name. We can remove this. Here we need to give the node port. Should be 32000. Escape :x. Enter. Now let me apply it. kubectl apply -f grafana -svc.yml. Now it is applied. Kubectl getal -n grafana. We can able to see all the resources that created in the grafana namespace. Now let me go here. Let me refresh the screen. Yes, we got our grafana login dashboard. That is what they asked us to get it there. So we have successfully deployed grafana on the Kubernetes cluster. Okay. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm.